Roxy, come. Let me scratch it for you. Mm. Roxy, come here. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Come here. Roxy. Roxy, baby. Stanley. Stanley. No be small swimming pool, oh.
Yes, yeah.
Enjoyment, like say tomorrow no day. Say hello, guys.
Hello, guys.
Hello. We are chilling here. You dey see? No be small swimming pool we don't get for here.
My
Roxy, Kiale, God scratching you. Your body never go. Stanley, what's up? How you doing? I dey find my dog. Now he make me come. Yes. Since 2 days now, because why I be no find am the first time. He say my husband say maybe he don't get boyfriend. Say he get one day when he go up Torres, see and they play with another dog. You understand? Because he dey always dey that up, they make noise if he hear other dog for street, they back. Now my husband they thought say maybe another fine bobo don't carry am go. He say na man na him be that. My own na woman now. And I don't find am tire. I don't know where I wan find am. And food when I keep. Both yesterday I buy fish. Yes, now I carry phone. Oh. Now I carry phone. Can't even see say when I get swimming pool here. If to say I no say swimming pool dey here. Now here if hot, now I go come dey swim. Truth. And I don't know where I wan find the dog go now. And lucky to say that dog where they find and come, he no sure say they stay around here. You don't know wetin my husband say, Onyi is a shower dog. Already fall in love, another person take. And why I dey worried be say now once I don't carry am go this G property side when in they follow me. I dey wonder make he no follow because that day, even if no be say me and am follow, one guy say, been the one play with her, say this thing resemble their dog where they find. And let's say dog where I start from small, they train. Now so I can't use I can't kukuma carry the dog for my body.